alongside in Poole can ask all good passengers to please remain seated and await for further announcement regarding your disembarkation. This announcement is for all car drivers and their passengers, and all passengers with push bikes may now return to your vehicle on the carriage now. Please make sure you have all your belongings with you and do not start your engine until advised to do so by a member of the ship's crew. On behalf of Brittany Ferries, Captain Wade, the officers and the crew of the Voyager, we'd like to thank